Hey guys, I'm Holden. Today we will see several apartments in Shanghai. They're all about $1,000 per month. And today I'll visit the apartment with my client, Sonia. She's from Portugal. Am I pronounced right?
Yeah.
I mean Portugal.
Very right.
Thank you. And the video for today is all about apartment. But if you want to see something near the apartment, feel free to tell me in the comment. Let's go. The first one. Open it. Alright, that is the first one. Looks a little bit dark of the interest. I think it is also a 2-bedroom. That is the first bedroom. The outside of the community. The living room.
I don't like the smell.
Yeah, smells very old. Yeah, that is the smell of the wood.
Yeah. Because it's very, it has a lot of humidity. The wood has a very strong smell.
So that one is a little bit dark, huh?
And I don't like the smell.
Okay. Do you want to take a video?
I'm gonna do. I need the video.
Okay. Let's go check another one.
I'm being attacked by the mosquito.
Usually the mosquito bite me when I stay with my friend.
Yeah.
Now they bite you.
Yeah.
Maybe they want to try something different. Yeah, this building is under maintained, under renovated. The renovated outside.
It's sexy.
The elevator looks a little bit old, but smells good. The decoration is nice, very clean.
Oh, I remember this.
Gas stove and oven, I think. This one is very new. Have you found? In the wardrobe. The bed and a small living room. Wow. A little bit windy. Yeah, the decoration and the location is quite good. The only problem is the size.
Yeah, it's small.
A little bit small. But
Condition is very good.
I think I will give this 8 out of 10
Yeah.
for the location and the decoration. 6th floor.
I remember when my first weeks in China was crazy. We couldn't speak. I also went to Beijing. We want to find the bus station. We couldn't find. We were in the middle of nowhere. Luckily, no one could speak. Luckily, someone came and could speak some Chinese.
Number 10. Ooh. Do you want me to turn the light up? Okay, let me. The natural light is also good. that is a nice kitchen. It's very bright.
That's the space. This sofa is just like my sofa. Very nice. There's a table. Yeah, the only problem of this doll is the price.
But if you like it, I can still try to talk with the landlord. Maybe it still have a chance for 7K. It is a nice one. The asking price is 8,500.
Not bad. No.
Yeah, but why there is 2 rooms? Okay.
Messy outside.
Yes. You should clean it. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. Yeah. The size is not bad. Have 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, and a kitchen, but it's a little bit dirty. Bathroom, a little bit small. Kitchen. That is the corridor of the outside. The apartment should be nice, but the maintenance is really bad. 603. Yeah.
Maybe once this is finished, you will do it.
Yeah, it will be good with this balcony.
Yeah, the balcony is really nice.
How about the bedroom?
It's okay, but a bit old in general.
Yeah, that is the bathroom. Not bad. And the bedroom, a big bed, is a king size bed. Oh. Alright, that is the apartment we saw today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.